Good morning to the people of South Sudan and happy 16 Mayo to everyone who lost their parent in battles. As we are celebrating this day, I would like to send this message to all South Sudanese and to SPLM party that we lost the vision of SPLM. There are people who are spoiling the mission and the vision of SPLM, who John Garang and Karbina Kwanyin Bol and William Yuan died for. In 1983, the mission and the vision of SPLM was to bring the service to the people. This was the main target of SPLM, and to extend town to the villages. It was objective of SPLM. Also to build a good hospital and good school, fill the road to the people of South Sudan, and bring peace and unity to all South Sudanese. This was our main target as SPLM people. But right now, the party has been sold by bringing those who doesn't have knowledge about SPLM. And that is the reason why I delivered my message today that we need to reform the system to build up the party, because the party is about to fall. Today, we are not able to implement this because of those people who are not connected to our mission. And the worst part of all is that the case of land grabbing become relevant in Central Equatorial State, which is a main problem in Central Equatorial State that will not allow the SPLM to win the election if there's an election. The most senior government officials were involved, including the governor of Central Equatoria, Emmanuel Adel Anton, who's representing SPLM in a state level, is become a land grabber. You see, how you people think that we are going to win the election. This is the reason I appeal to you, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Sudan, Baba Kiir, to rebuild this mission that really you suffered for by sanctioning those who doesn't know the mission and the vision of SPLM. Your Excellency, I would like to appeal to you that your name did not appear in a land grabbing, but the person you choose or you appointed as the governor of Central Equatorial State, Emmanuel Adel Anton, he became a land grabber by taking the land of Sokaloro. This is the only land of Sokaloro, whom all his family were buried. Five people are just underground. They are buried there. And Emmanuel Adil is still insists to take this away from the family of Sokaloro. And I came to realize that that family that Adil is torturing are my in-law. We suffered to bring peace to the people, to bring service to the people, and to stand for the people, not for ourselves. This was our main target as SPLM people. The sacrifice that you and Dr. John Garang made for us to achieve this goal, it should not be only an individual who will spoil it, like Adel Anthony, who will spoil this beautiful mission. That is the reason why I say, as SPLM people, we should bring the people who are related to those who are in need. Those who are in need are the citizens of the country. We shouldn't bring people who will work like NGOs, like UN, who are coming to collect our thing and go away. We are the country. The country is the people. Without the people, the nation it shouldn't be there. It is because we are the people who are living in this country. That is the reason why God gave us this beautiful land. Today, if SPLM go for election, what will happen to SPLM in election? What will happen to SPLM during election? How can SPLM get votes? It cannot. Who can vote for us if those who are representing SPLM become a land grabber? It means that we fail. In that election, we fail. So, my president, bring people who knows the vision and the mission to represent us in this state. Bring people who are connected to our objective of SPLM. Because this land you fought for is a gift of the sacrifice. No one and no individual should misuse it. The worst thing, Adil Anthony did not respect all the senior leaders of SPLM, especially Commander General Wenakot, who talked to him. He did not listen. Commander Marshal Stephen, Commander Abut Sekol, he did not listen. General Rinto Mabur, he did not listen. And many more. They have talked to him, and this guy did not listen. My president, you can save us and the nation from those who spoil the mission and the vision of SPLM. From today onward, let us work for the party and let us work for the people of South Sudan. Let us work for the peace to come in South Sudan, not for ourselves, because we should not spoil the image of the party. This party is the only living water that we only have as children of heroes. We did not achieve anything from this government now. The only thing that we have and the only thing that we keep our heart is the party. And thank you, my president, and to the people of South Sudan.